Oi gente, tudo bem? Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna tell you the nice places to see in Copacabana, which is the most popular district of Rio de Janeiro. And I'm gonna tell you the order of the places to go and point it in a map for you. This way you will have a professional walking tour. I was a tour guide in Rio for about 5 years and I'm gonna share my itinerary with you. Number 1, Forte de Leme. Guys, this is the only spot that isn't actually located in Copacabana. It's located in Leme district. But I know 99% of you will miss this really nice place if I don't show you. So pay attention. Forte de Leme is a military base and also a museum. You have to pay a little fee to go in, it's less than $2, and it works like this. You start an easy hike, I guess in 20 minutes you finish it. And at the top there is a museum if you want to see, and you are actually going there because of the great view. You can take a picture with a Brazilian flag and Copacabana beach. Number 2, the famous Copacabana Palace. It's a hotel, and until 1960, when Rio de Janeiro was the capital of Brazil, this was probably one of the most exclusive places in Brazil. Well, many stories happened there, including a murder attack against a president, but the hotel is really fantastic, isn't it? Number 3, Copacabana Sidewalk. Don't forget to take a picture in the black and white waves of Copacabana Sidewalk. That's the most iconic representation of Copacabana. Number 4, the sand sculptures. See these really nice sculptures? They're made with sand, and make sure you leave a tip if you want to take a picture of their art. Number 5, Carlos Drummond de Andrade and Dorival Caymmi statue. The first, Carlos Drummond de Andrade, was a writer, and Dorival Caymmi a musician. Number 6, Forte de Copacabana. Forte de Copacabana was the other military base. Remember the first that I told you in the beginning of the video? Well, both of them were responsible for the protection of the capital of Brazil. Rio for a long time was the capital of Brazil. Nowadays, it's a museum and there is a really nice place to visit inside the fort. And the place is the number 7, Confeitaria Colombo, or in English, Colombo Bakery. Well, this is a bakery and a really nice one. I recommend you to spend some time there, having a coffee, some Brazilian snacks, like a coxinha, pão de queijo, tapioca. There's a nice view from there. And number 8, Copacabana Beach. Of course, I couldn't finish this video without mentioning the most famous beach in the world. You will see Brazilians have a unique way of enjoying the beach. 2 things to see there. People playing beach sports like futevôlei, altinha, frescobol. If you never heard of it, you need to watch the video that it's somewhere here. And finally, having a caipirinha or a coconut water on the beach. And this is the end of our tour or our video. Did you feel like doing this itinerary? Well, I have an audio tour where I explain the history and more curiosities and nice tips of every place. If you feel like visiting Copacabana on your own without a large group and taking your time, it could be a solution. Have a look at the description for more information. And I'll make more videos about history and places to go in Brazil, so subscribe to my channel. And for daily tips about Brazil, follow my Instagram. Have a wonderful time in Brazil. Ciao! And just before we finish, if you got here, let me know in the comments where was your favorite place in Copacabana. Ciao!